guys, welcome to the channel. Today I want to discuss about how you can be more focused, concentrated in your task that you are doing. It's very important to you. You want the concentration, you want the focus, but you are lacking due to your laziness, or maybe you are tired. So how you can be more focused, I will explain you in this video. So let's get into the video. So the technique name is Pomodoro technique, and this technique is used by many people around the world, and it is scientifically proven also. Very simple technique, anybody can do it. So either you can use a watch for this technique, or you can use your application that I will provide to you for this technique. Okay, so what you have to do, want more focus in your study. So what you have to do by applying Pomodoro technique is that you have to study 25 minutes with no distraction, with full focus and concentration, and after that you can take the 5 minutes break. And you can use this technique as many number of times as much you are comfortable. Initially maybe you are not comfortable with this technique, so you take your time with this. But what I want to say is that, like, if we have done like 25 minutes work and 5 minutes break, then we called it one Pomodoro. And then similarly, like that, you can take as many Pomodoros you want, like 1 2 3 4, any Pomodoros you want. You can have 1 or 2 Pomodoros in a day for more focus and concentration. It is up to you. When you get practice, it is up to you how you can be more comfortable in taking the Pomodoros. But trust me guys, it is very effective. Like making a habit of 25-minute work without any distraction, it's very helpful. Because when we do without any timer on our head, we lose concentration, we distract by the notifications or anything. But when we have a timer, like in this 25 minutes span, we don't have to be distract ourselves, so it really works. And after that you can take 5 minutes break. So this is the very simple technique, and you can try it. And the name is also very interesting, like Pomodoro. The application with me also to make this activity more interesting to you. So I will show you how it application works. You can use that, you can use this application. Either you don't want to use it, you can use your watch for this technique to apply in your daily task. So I will explain how this application works. So guys, this is the application that I am talking about. Like you can see, there is 25 and written Pomodoro, 5 break, 15 long break. So you can choose any color of your choice, like this one I am choosing. And let's start. So this is our screen where we have to start our first Pomodoro, and you can see Pomodoro 25 minutes is written, and you can just click that button, and now it is active. And for the next 25 minutes you have to be very focused and concentrated in your work, whatever you are doing, without any distraction. So this is how it works. And you can see there is a pause button also. I will tell you how, like this one. So now it is pause, but you don't have to do it. You have to make a habit of 25 minutes stretch work without any pause or any distraction. So I will resume it. Now it is working. After the 25 minutes is completed, it will show you a 5 minutes break. So you have to take that 5 minutes break, and after that your one Pomodoro is complete. So you can start with one Pomodoro in a day, and then if you need more Pomodoros, you can use more also. So this is how it works. And I will also give you the link of this application in the description. You can go through this application and use the Pomodoro for yourself. As you all are knowing what is Pomodoro is, and also I have explain you the demonstration of the application. So you can use this technique and try it, and let me know also is it work for you or not. and I will be coming with more helpful videos very soon. Until then, take care of yourself and bye.